Since 1953, Ayers Career College has helped thousands of people begin rewarding, high-demand careers. Today, we're focusing on training in healthcare, technology, and the skilled trades. These are jobs that won't go away in a crisis. And our flexible schedules, modern training center, and commitment to job placement makes us the perfect choice for today's students. Heating, air conditioning, and refrigeration technicians are in high demand and have great opportunities working in residential and commercial settings. Ayers has one of the area's largest and most impressive training centers. In this program, you'll be doing hands-on training and working on the type of equipment you'll be servicing in the field. You'll learn to troubleshoot, diagnose, and repair a variety of systems, including air conditioners, walk-in coolers, ice machines, furnaces, and more. We have flexible day and evening classes, and you will be guided by experienced instructors with years of professional experience. Graduates from the program have excellent job opportunities, and you can begin your new career in just a few months. Now is the perfect time to begin your new career at Ayers. Contact us today for more information about upcoming classes.